Our channel. So today I'm gonna go to destroy the power plant, guys. So here it is. It's very laggy. So today I'm gonna destroy the power plant. So I want to grab a bomb because that is the only reason you can destroy a factory. So I need to take this factory for me. And I need to grab some this. And I'm gonna not. So today, let's go destroy the power plant, guys. It looks very weird here, dude. Again this. My phone is very laggy, dude. There is destroyed. Destroyed. Good. So today I'm gonna go to the top. So I'm gonna Mama's TV. So very weird. It's a cooling area. It's done. Now we're gonna go here. And so then let's go open this in 3, 2, 1. Go inside. Here it is. Hey guys. Here it is, guys. Destroy the power plant, guys. It's huge or not huge? Let's see. Let's see if it's huge or not huge. Let's chill. It's gonna close the door. There it is. Look at this factory. Very weird actually. See you next